your condolences, and you take the shortest time possible, a minimum of 1.5 minutes, a maximum of 1.5 minutes, maximum of 1.5 minutes. My brother, karibu sana.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa. Your Grace, the Archbishop of the Anglican Church of Kenya, and the entire fraternity of the clergy, Your Excellency, the former Deputy President, Riggy GACHAGUA, the family of our friend, Honorable Kivuti, and all protocol observed. My name is Mushangi Karemba. I am a member of Parliament for Runyenjes constituency, and I am here today to condole and to support the family of our friend, Lenny Kivuti. And in our midst, I know too well that there is a father and a mother who have lost their son, a wife who has lost her husband, kids who have lost their father, and siblings who have lost their brother. We are here to say pole to you, Mheshimiwa Lenny, and your family. I know too well that there is nothing so devastating as losing a child, because ordinarily we hope as parents to be buried by our kids. But I know how painful it can be when I remember how deeply we love our kids. So we say pole, and may God encourage you, and also encourage yourself, because apart from your own kids, you also have several other kids, like my brother Mheshimiwa said. I remember too well when I joined politics and expressed interest to run for the Runyenjes parliamentary seat. I was rejected by the officials of a political party I had desired to join. I was asked for a bank statement, but I didn't have money. I had so little money in my account, and I overheard that the Bas party didn't have a parliamentary candidate for Runyenjes constituency. And that's how I approached you and asked you whether you can allow me to run as your candidate, or rather the Bas party candidate in the Runyenjes constituency. And the rest is history. Today, I am a member of Parliament, and I cannot forget the far that we have come. I have actually suffered in the past for being your friend, but I refuse to denounce your friendship, our friendship, because that is not what you do. Mondo darevaga, wega, nauru. And same case to you, the former Deputy President. You know too well I refused to impeach you. And I want to tell you today why I refuse to impeach you. It is because my brother Roko, nipe dakika kidogo Mheshimiwa Roko. I am your senior in Parliament, so kindly give me 1 more minute. Your Excellency Deputy President, when I invited you to come to Runyenjes constituency, you graced our occasion. You came. When I asked you to join the Akorino fraternity in Bere North constituency, that time we were meeting at Chicago, you came and facilitated us to buy a land that we are putting up a cathedral. When I sent you to your wife to ask her to come and grace the women fellowship of our church, she came. And I know what the Bible says in the book of Luke. Undorio tangienda guikwa, ndugeke mundu uria wingi. It is for that reason that I decided that I am not going to vote yes to the impeachment. I want to wish you the very best, Your Excellency. And at this juncture also, allow me as I sit down to say that I am a disturbed young person and a young leader. Eric, my namesake, is only 41 years. I am 40. I am disturbed by the missing young people in this country. I am very disturbed. Yesterday as I was watching news, niliona ati Citizen TV wanajua wenye magari ambazo zilibeba vijana wetu, lakini Inspector General of Police hajui. Sasa niko na maswali. Kama Citizen TV wanajua magari ambayo ilibeba vijana wetu, kwa nini IG asituambie ni akina nani hao wenye haya magari na ni wapi amefikisha uchunguzi? Na hao watu nao wenye hayo magari watapelekwa kotini siku gani? Kwa sababu hatutaki Kenya yetu iwe Kenya ya unjambazi na ya utekaji nyara. It is painful. Thank you very much.
I have firm instruction from His Grace, the Archbishop, that I invite all the members of Parliament here so that I can introduce them and they sit. Those are the instructions I have from His Grace. So please, all the members of Parliament and the senators.
Tafadhali. Tafadhali.